What did you get? Did you get mail? Can you show me what your mail looks like? They're postcards. Who are those postcards from?
Kelly.
That's right. Aren't they pretty? They're the same ones that Aunt Kelly told you about on her video. What do you say?
Please.
Please? How about thanks?
Thanks.
Can you look over here and say, thanks, Kelly? Up. Can you show me what's on the pictures? Do you remember?
Down.
What are they pictures of? This one looks like the beach. And what's this one? What is this one?
House.
No, it's not a house. Remember, it has all the water and it sprays?
Boy.
It's a fountain.
Down.
Hey. We don't say that. We say, thanks, Kelly.
Down.
Okay, can you go give Kelly a kiss?